Hi, welcome to Rachael Jess unboxing of the September Kawaii Box from Japan. This is a cute mystery subscription box where you get around 11 items shipped over from Japan, and it's fabulous and it's one of my favourites. I know I say that a lot, but this one really is one of my favourites. Now when you open this box up, there will be a little guide as to what they've shipped to you. And then the fun of it is guessing what you've got. So let's have a look at what we've got in our September box. This always goes down well in our house. This is a DIY candy kit. Lasts about 5 minutes. Sometimes you get these in the Japan candy kit mystery boxes, which I've reviewed before. So they are a hit. We also have, absolutely, I adore this. I'll see this. I love you purse. Love it. Put him right there. And as you can see, popping out, we have a plush. Often have a plush. Rabi-Dango Plush. Sorry. Oh, no, it's so gorgeous. Okay, what else do we have in our box? We have, well, I can only, yes, they've got to be sweeties, haven't they? Let's have a look. Yes, that's candy. Oh! Oh yes, that's definitely candy. We have, oh, a fabulous, let's have a look, show you guys first and then I'll try and work out one, but that's it. Can you see this? That's it without the glaze of the light. This is a notebook, Happy Day notebook set. So you get a lot in your box. We've already, we've already pulled out, we've already seen 5 items and I've got quite a few left to go. This one, I love this. This is the invisible pen set. So you write your secret message, then you shine your torch on to see what it is. Always a big hit. And as always, who doesn't love a pen? Stationery. We all love a bit of stationery. See, I'm saving what I absolutely adore to the last. We have, as always, hair loop set. So cute. Ooh, there we go. I am not an expert at video and unboxings, can you tell? This is possibly my first proper unboxing. My son did one the other day. Much better at it than I am. Always a hit. The jewellery, stickers. And oh, these are more stickers. Look at these, aren't they fabulous? Watch. Hoping you can see those okay with the light. I do apologise. And then finally, so that's 10 items we've gone through. And then finally, the last piece in the box, Dream and Explore notebook. How beautiful is this? I'm all for one for writing down your dreams, your aspirations, what you're thankful for. And for me, best item in the box.